Hi, Mark T. the Handyman here. Today we're going to try to find out what is causing all this noise on my Hayward pool heater.
Well, it looks like the noise is definitely coming from the combustion blower motor. I turned the pool heater off and then back on to reset and restart the heating cycle. Now I am waiting for the blower to come back on to see if I can pick up any problems with the combustion motor. It looks like the rotor on the motor is moving. If the induction rotor is moving back and forth and making noise, it typically indicates a worn out motor bearing or failed thrust washer. The physical play allows the rotor to rub against the internal stator, creating a grinding or scraping sound. Over time, the bearings inside the end valves degrade. If the rotor can be wiggled by hand, the bearings have lost their tolerance and need to be replaced. Let's turn the power off to the unit and remove the combustion motor. We will turn the power off at the timer. Next, we are going to remove the combustion blower by removing these 4 screws, the wire harness, and the 2 vacuum hoses. Now let's give the blower a quick spin to see if I can hear or see anything that might help us find out where the noise is coming from. Let's take the cover off and see if the blower wheel might be loose or damaged in any way. I'm going to wiggle the motor and the blower wheel to see if there's any type of bearing damage that is noticeable. We're looking for a back and forth motion or an up and down motion, anything that would indicate the bearings are worn or damaged. Okay, I don't see anything obvious, so let's plug the wire harness back in and turn the motor back on. We will let it go through the combustion cycle to see if we can pick up something that might be moving, causing the grinding noise. So we turn the power back on and there's a call for heat. Now let's wait and see if we can see anything. Well, I don't see any real movement, but the noise is still there, so let's turn the power back off and look at this a little bit closer. I turned the pool heater off at the control panel, and now I'm going to check the rotor on the motor. I thought I saw the rotor move when we started it up the first time. Sure enough, the rotor definitely is loose and moving. Movement back and forth like this indicates a bad motor and needs to be rebuilt or replaced. I went to the pool supply house. I showed them what was going on and they said they do not stock any blower assemblies or blower motors. But they did have some old Hayward pool heaters that had problems like a bad heat exchanger that might have the same blower assembly. Sure enough, they did. This particular unit was labeled as garbage because it had a leaking heat exchanger, but the blower assembly is still working. Admittedly, the custom blower assembly is rusted and old, but it still works. So let's install the used combustion blower assembly by screwing the 4 screws back in. Let's reconnect the pressure switches and wire harness to see if the used combustion motor works. Okay, let's turn the power back on at the timer. We have the pool heater thermostat calling for heat. Now we are waiting for the combustion fan motor to come on and go through the pre-purge cycle. After the pre-purge cycle, the burner should come on. Okay, that's our pre-purge. Next, we should have the combustion cycle. There we go. And we're back in business. It works.
So we've got a combustion fan motor that is working in there, but it's kind of old and rusty, so I'm going to order a new one. But until then, this one should do the job. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to comment. I sure would like to hear from you. Thanks for watching.